Welcome to VideoFunnel demo. In next few minutes, you will see how mind-blowing features can add 10 times more sales leads to your existing funnel and to your website, to your business. Okay, so traditionally people start with a dashboard. I will show you the dashboard, but let's start with a live working demo first. I will show you how it works so that you can get an experience, the feel of how special this app is and how mind-blowing this app is. Once you know the live working, it will be really easy for you to understand what we are doing, how can we set it up inside VideoFunnel dashboard. Okay, so let's just get started. So we have this campaign on our page embedded for this live demo. So instead of having boring broadcasting one-way communication videos, which generally we use, if you use VideoFunnels, it will foster a relationship with the website visitor. You'll see how, because your visitor will be able to reply with a video, audio, text, emoji. And once you have that relationship, when you put a face, you set up yourself as an authority, and authority creates credibility, and with credibility comes trust, because you're interacting with your visitor. Okay, you develop that relationship. So suppose if you have this video on your website, Jay here to show you how VideoFunnel works. Now, if you just want one-step campaign, if you just want video and want replies from your website visitors, your website visitor can reply with a video. Let me just open. Okay, I want to reply with this, and you'll see my smiling face now. So I can reply as a website visitor, I can reply to the vendor. That means your website visitor will be able to reply to you. Okay, so I'll send this video and I'll just put my name and email ID. So this way you can capture the email IDs, you can do lead generation, because your website visitor will be tempting to send you video, audio, text, interaction. So that way you do lead generation in that process. How cool is that? Okay, now imagine how cool is that. So let me show you how it works inside the campaign. I'll show you the previous campaign which I have created. Okay, here you will see a lot of campaigns which we have created. Now if we just check, let's suppose this campaign, let's just you can see it's a lead. I'm just asking for the lead in this campaign. Okay, you can check the analytics of this campaign. If I just click on it, you'll see how many page view unique, because we created for this demo, that's why the numbers are 0. You can see the conversion rate, everything, and then to embed it on your website, you can get embed link. If you don't have website, no issues, just copy this and you can just open this in a browser and you'll see this as a different campaign. Okay, so you can use it on VideoFunnel itself. Just in case if you don't have any website, you can send it inside your email as well to your subscribers and get 90% more open rate. Okay, and then if you want it on your website, just like you can see, we have this widget over here. Okay, the floating widget, it will open as well. So similarly, you can have the widget, you can set the positions as well, different positions, different styles. Okay, and you can use it as a widget as well. Okay, now if I want to edit this campaign, let me just click on it. Okay, now that's how you edit this campaign. So the campaign which you saw just over here, that's how you create it. You set it up. If you allow multiple responses, now what are multiple responses? You can get polls, okay, from a person. You can enter questions, you can give options. Okay, and I'll show you how polls look like. Let me just open a different campaign as well. So we have, suppose we have this campaign over here. So it's a poll campaign. You can give options. Now if I just edit this campaign over here you will see we have this poll campaign where we have put the questions and these are options. Okay, so you can very easily set the polls if you want to. Now coming back to another option, that is appointment. Okay, your website visitor will be able to set appointment with you, and then you can have action button if you want to send them to checkout page, a checkout process, and to upsell to anywhere. So you can send them via putting the URL here. Okay, now if you want them to reply via video, you toggle that, you on it, audio, text, emoji. As you can see on our page, we had all the options available over here, right? So if you just want video, you can just toggle this, and and you can make audio off, text off, emoji. Generally we keep it open generally. Okay, and now if you want any CTA on the top of your campaign, you can have testing. You can increase the size, and you see the size is increased. You can font style, text, background color of your overlay text, and then you can set the position as well, at the top, at the right, bottom, center, anywhere. You can do that. Similarly, if you just go to this campaign which we have on our page, you can do the same thing on this campaign as well. So this way you can set the one-step campaign on your page. Okay, I'll just refresh it so that I can show you how to set up the funnels. Okay, how to set up the funnels. Now before that, if you want to customize the play button, we have the detailing done. Okay, you can customize the play button, you can add the animations, you can enable the logo, you can do so much inside video funnel. You can go to thumbnail, you can play with it, and you can also set up your Facebook, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, pixels here. So if you want to go into that deep analytics, we have everything set up. Now coming back to the demo, so just in case if you want to set up series of videos, okay, I'm talking about funnel where you showcase them one video and then you push them to take some action. Let's say you do lead generation and then you ask them to book appointment or go to your checkout page, buy something from you, and then you want to showcase your thank you video. I'm talking about funnel where you ask them or request them to take series of actions. Okay, so I have already recorded 3 videos just for this demo purpose. Okay, over here you will see that in first step I'll talk about things and ask you guys to give email ID. This is just for the demo purpose. Okay, and then you can ask them to book appointments with you and the thank you video. So I've created these 3 sample videos and we're gonna see the live working of these videos first, that means of the funnel first, and then we will go inside video funnel and see how we can set up the funnels. Okay, really easy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna play the first video right now. Hi, Jay here to show you how video funnel works. So imagine like I have video on video funnel site, you can have similar video on your website. Now you can reply to my video with a video recording, with the audio, text or emoji. Once you send it, you will see another video. And before that, I can ask you to submit your email ID and name. So imagine you can also have video on your website, you can do lead generation, and your website visitor will be able to send recording to you, and when you reply to them, it builds more trust, credibility and authority. And you will beat your competitor, you will do more sales, more engagement, more leads. Imagine that. And once you fill that form with your name and email ID, my second video will appear. So please do that and see the complete sample how video funnel works. Okay, so you guys saw we have put in this button over here. Okay, this is for the demo purpose only. Okay, so for people who will come to this page, suppose if I have this video, imagine this on your website. So this can be your first video. Okay, now after the video, I'm asking them to sign up to continue watching the live demo. Similarly, you can have it for lead generation, for any purpose you want. So I'm going to click on this. It's asking for my email ID. I'll type it because I want to see the demo now, and I'll submit, and you will see the next video will start after this. Okay, so this is our upsell one video. This can be upsell one video. If I wanted my visitor to buy something, they would buy something, and after that they will see this video. Imagine, instead of pages, instead of asking people to come from one page to another to third, we are having everything inside this demo in just one dashboard. Okay, in just one page itself. So let's just play this upsell one video or the next video in the funnel. Thank you for filling the form. Now you're on the second video of video funnels. You are on the second step. So imagine you can also have this kind of video on your website. By the way, by the time you have this funnel, we also have given the option so that your visitor, just in case if they have any doubt, any question, if they're convinced or they're about to get convinced, they can reply to you with a video, audio, text and emoji. So we have set video funnel in such a way that your website visitor or your prospect will be able to communicate with you whenever they're ready. How cool is that? You can also make people do the registrations on your website, and upsell one will appear. So now, if you want to, you can again reply to my video with video, text, sound, emoji, and you can book an appointment with me as well if you want to. And I can just send you a poll as well. Just imagine, possibilities are endless. I can send this video in an email. You can send this kind of similar video in email, and you can ask your subscriber to reply to you, engage with you, and while you reply to them, we are humans, we love interactions. So this way, you will use video funnel, or should I say, funnel of videos to bring in 10x more engagement, more sales, more profit in your business. After the lead generation, I'm asking you guys to book appointment with me, okay, to continue watching video. Now, if I just click on this, I'll be sent to appointment page. I'll put my name here, 9:45. Now my appointment is set. So imagine how cool is that. Now after that, we have the thank you video. Okay, so this is the third video in a video funnel demo. You fill in the form, did the registrations, and then you went to the second video. They ask you to book appointment with me, and this is the third video. So imagine it's a funnel of videos, like you have website funnels. Here, one video will appear after another. You can set these kind of videos on your website, and trust me, these type of videos, video funnel gives 10x more engagement and sales. Okay, so you just saw the series of 3 videos in a funnel, okay? And please remember, for the demo, in the first video, I asked for the lead generation. I asked to opt in so that I can show the second step, that is to book appointment. And third step, after my visitor book appointment, I'll show them thank you video. Imagine, the possibilities are endless. You can get the lead generation done in the first step, in the first video, where your visitor will have chance to send you video. And by the way, when they send you video response, they can, you will still get the email ID, right? Second step, you can pitch them something, you can get the poll, you can set appointment with yourself. So there are endless possibilities. Now, coming back to how we set up this campaign. So in interest of time, I'm going to show you the same campaign for which you just saw the demo. Okay, so this is that first campaign over here. Okay, now here you can check, we have 3 steps in this campaign. Okay, it is showing you first video, and then we ask for the opt-in form, and then second video, and then the call to action button for the book appointment, and the third thank you video. Okay, it's a simple funnel. Now you can check the analytics for this one. 58 page views, okay, for this one, 38 unique views, conversions. It's a really good conversion rate. So you see, it's a really good conversion rate because people interacted with this. Although this is a simple demo for showing video funnel campaign, how it works, it's still see the conversion rate of the views, okay? And then if you want to share it, like I took the link from here, and that's how I put it on my website over here, okay? In the same way, if you want to send this in an email, imagine you can send the funnel of videos in an email. You can do that. If you want as a widget on your website, like I had on my website, you can do that, and you can share the public link. Just in case if you don't have a website, no issues. Video funnel have you covered. Now, if you want to delete, you can delete. You can rename as well. Now let's go to the funnel. So we are inside the funnel. So I've named this as a video funnel demo, and I've selected a video. Let me just try to open a new campaign as well, new funnel as well. So you can just say testing, and then you can either upload or you can select the videos. You can select the videos which you have put in, like we have already put in this video. Then you can select the CTA when you want the CTA. Now coming back to the existing demo, you want the CTA at the end of the video, which is 55 seconds. If you want CTA to appear in between video, you can do that easily, okay? And you see when I have added CTA, so I have this dialog box appearing on what to do with CTA. So I've given the name of the button, that is sign up to continue watching demo, live demo, okay? Because when we click on it, we go to the second video. Now I can select the font size, color. You can see the color, text color, style, position, bottom center. We can do it centrally aligned as well. Now this is animation bouncing down. So imagine your button is animated, imagine. And then after the form, what will happen? So the CTA is form, lead generation form. So the next step is video funnel working demo book appointment. That is the next step, okay? So once we do the next step, we'll go to the setting of this next step video. Here, when we click on next, we will come to the second video because this is our second step in the funnel, okay? Now in second step, again, the same thing. When do you want CTA? When do you want action, the trigger, which we have in funnel? So I want it at the end of the video. The content, the text on the button, the font size, style, position, animation, and what you want after that step. So I want to book appointment. I want my website visitor to book appointment with me. That's why I have the appointment link, appointment campaign link over here. And after the appointment is set, play third step video. That is a thank you video in a funnel, okay? And then we click on finish. So it was a simple campaign, okay? You do the lead generation, then you ask them to book appointment, and then you say thank you. And if you want to do sales, you can add the sales campaign as well. You can give a CTA of your checkout page, and when they buy, you can set the thank you video as well. So imagine on your website itself, you don't want your visitor to go anywhere to make sales. Imagine and compare this with the traditional page funnels. Your visitor will not bounce from one page to another to check your upsell offer or to get sales. And generally those funnels are one-way broadcasting where they just receive message, they can't clear their doubts, okay? So it's very hard for people to make decision. Here you are giving them set of videos in just one box, one container on your website. Even if you don't have a website, you can do it on your VideoFunnel.in, on our link as well, on our hosting as well. So imagine how easy it is. And at the same time, they can interact with you, okay? They can clear all their doubts, and it's so easy for these guys to make decision. And that's how you saw that we had almost 30% conversion over here, 29.31, and that's how you will see 10 times more sales, more leads, because first you're giving face to your campaign. And we as a human crave for personal attention, personal touch, And when you do that interaction, it's very easy. Now, coming to the other parts, once you set up your funnels, you have responses from your viewers, right? Now, let's go to the responses. You can check all the responses. You can see, I have this campaign here. I have 1 audio message, 1 video message as well. I have 5 text message, 1 emoji as well. So you will have all the responses for each and every campaign. Let me just, click on this one and see what is the analytics. Let's just see the analytics, 58 page view, the conversion for this one. And we can share this campaign like you saw, and let's see the view. Let's view the responses. So for each and every step in a campaign, even either in a video funnel campaign or either in a 1-step interaction campaign, you will have the responses. So I have a video, audio response from person. I have video response as well. This is the response which I did. If I just play it, this was me replying to the campaign. Okay. So if let's say this is my website visitor, or this is my visitor on my campaign, and you can see the text reply as well. You can see the emoji. So let's say for the emoji as well, if I want to, view what is the response, and I can see the response here. Let's say if I want to reply to this emoji, I can reply with video as well. Just imagine, even if someone is sending me emoji or text or a video or audio, whatever, I have the option to reply to them via video, audio, text, emoji. That means you can reply to them via emoji, via video, via audio, via text, via emoji, and this person will be clueless why I'm sending this video to this one. So imagine how powerful this is. So now I'll send this, and this user will receive my videos. So that means, you can send video to your website visitor. You can also send automated videos which you have set in campaigns. It will make it easy for you. You can check all your leads inside leads. Just to set the privacy, I won't show you leads, sorry. You can set the polls, like we had polls over here for the planet. You can set appointments, so your website visitor will be able to set and book your calendar with you. You can check the reports in interactions, okay, and average stick time, disengagement time, leads. You can set the range, duration for each campaign. You can check it so that you understand what kind of campaign you have to create in future. And then you can log into Video Man, which is an add-on, and agents rights. So if you go to the dashboard, you will see it's very easy, very handy. You can check all your campaigns here, your funnels, your responses. You will have knowledge-based videos so that you can easily get started in minutes. You will have extra bonuses, tutorials, support links, and it's a very easy dashboard. Now, to recap how Video Funnel will add colors to your business, why it's necessary. See, it will automate the exponential growth of your business, because it's a two-way interaction now as compared to people who are just broadcasting message. People love two-way interactions. People love personal touch, that attention, and you will give it to them. Even with your automated videos, they will be able to reply. You can send them your automated replies to your their replies. You will convert 10 times more of your website visitor into buyer because you're engaging with them. Okay, you will do the lead generation like crazy in any niche because of the personal touch, and you will be able to improve any of your existing sales funnel really fast. Reason is because you will have video feedback from your customers about dislikes, and what they like in their purchase journey on your website. You can use that feedback to quickly fix and improve your sales funnel and boost your conversions exponentially. More of your customers will be coming back to you because now they know you, they like you, they trust you. Okay, and the similar way, if you send the video funnel mails in your autoresponders, you will get 90% more open written clicks because it's a video, it's not a text. So there's a high chances of going it to primary folder as compared to spam folder for most of the text emails. Okay, and when you give power to reply to your website visitor, it gives a very good first impression, okay, of your business. And at the same time, when people reply to your videos, to your website via video, audio, you are getting really good video testimonials, that boost your business, that add trust and credibility to your brand, and you're doing it instantly, okay, and naturally. And at the same time, you elevate the customer experience, and you can use pre-recorded videos to save you time. You can automate the entire process of replying to your customers' videos, and it will be unparalleled customer engagement that makes your competitor jealous and gives you 10 times more business. So that's all from my side. Please check the Video Funnel in action live working on our website, videofunnel.io/special, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you inside.